Hey, I just got these really cute little blocks, playing blocks. These are like dominoes. You can play dominoes with them. They can build blocks, different blocks with them. They have the little manual that tells you different games that they can play. Dominoes, they can build blocks. They can also shape a puzzle. They can do a matching game. It's really cute. They have all different kinds of little symbols on the back. And then, of course, they can match them up and make a puzzle. It makes a little puzzle all the way around. And this is the name of the company that I got them from. It sends a little bag to put all the blocks in. And this is the nice little box that it comes in. And this is what's on the front of the box. It shows different things that they can do. The kids can do all kinds of things with them. They're good for a year old or up. They're not, they're wood. They're solid wood, and they come with all the different colors and everything, and the different shapes and all that for the kids to play with. I do recommend these. Again, this is the company, and this is the manual that it sends it with everything. And I really love these, and in the description I will have the website of where you can buy these from. Thank you. Bye.